Don't know what to do with those Thanksgiving leftovers? Let's make some turkey corn noodle soup. Just get a pot of water. Add a cup of the corn with the juice. Add some cut up turkey. Add about a tablespoon or 2 of the chicken base, some salt, pepper, and parsley. And since your noodles are already cooked, we're gonna wait till this cooks down and gets good and warm, and we're just gonna put this in just a couple seconds before you're ready to serve so they don't get mushy. As this cooks, you can put, instead of noodles, you can add rice, which you would add earlier than you would the noodles that are already cooked. You can also add some eggs, which we're gonna do here in a little bit once it starts to boil. Now that this is boiling, we're gonna crack 2 eggs in here and let them cook. Now that this is done, we're gonna add in some of the pre-cooked noodles to this, and we have our garlic bread to go with our turkey corn soup.